Carpal tunnel syndrome is another condition which is a common occupational injury. It can happen from typing, it can happen from lifting, it can happen from repetitive strain. The carpal tunnel sits just here at the base of your thumb, and there's a ligament that goes between this side and this side of your wrist. That ligament sits over the top of the carpal tunnel, and the main problem with carpal tunnel is that you have a nerve that runs through the carpal tunnel and then branches out into the thumb, these two fingers and half of the ring finger. When that nerve starts to get squashed, it starts to cause numbness, pins and needles and pain, mainly at night time. Treatment is easy. We use thermoplastic splint, worn pretty much just at night time or when you sleep. What this does is this keeps the wrist in a neutral or good position, allowing good flow of the median nerve.